A study examining the evolution of our teeth over the last 7,500 years demonstrates that humans today have less diverse oral bacteria compared to historic populations. Scientists believe this has contributed to chronic oral diseases in post-industrial lifestyles. The authors claim that analysis of DNA in calcified bacteria on the teeth of humans that lived during modern and ancient history has shed light on the health consequences of the evolving diet and behavior from the Stone Age to modern day. The scientists explain that there were negative changes in oral bacteria due to our diets being altered when we shifted from a hunter-gatherer lifestyle to agriculture. Further changes were seen when humans began manufacturing food during the Industrial Revolution. The researchers extracted DNA from calcified dental plaque from 34 prehistoric human skeletons in northern Europe. They then examined the changes in the nature of oral bacteria that were first present in prehistoric hunter-gatherers through to the Bronze Age when farming became established, and then on to the Industrial Revolution and modern times. Senior author Professor Alan Cooper states, "The composition of oral bacteria changed markedly with the introduction of farming, and again around 150 years ago. With the introduction of processed sugar and flour in the Industrial Revolution, we can see a dramatically decreased diversity in our oral bacteria, allowing domination by cavity-causing strains. The modern mouth basically exists in a permanent disease state.